Hi guys, it's the biker girl here. So unfortunately I have to leave my bike outside. I do put it under a cover, but this doesn't protect it completely from the elements. So I've had a top tip for keeping your fork seals like nice and supple and sealed still. So I've got my unmarked petroleum jelly, because this isn't an advertising campaign. And apparently all we've got to do is liberally apply this to the seals. So that's what we're going to do. Mine are actually like really badly cracked, but hopefully this will make them last like a little bit longer. So hopefully that should last a bit longer. We shall see. Subscribe and like the video and comment if I'm doing it wrong.